Okay, today I'm gonna follow this little path right here. There's like this cool pink, yellow, and bright bluish green building. And this street is called Sul do Mercado de São Domingos. There's a market down there. And this is kind of where it's located in the city. And I'll tell you all about it in a minute. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, before we go down, we're just gonna kind of show you. So we're basically at Sandal Square. So you kind of have these beautiful, cool buildings. You have this beautiful black and white plaza. You have Santa Casa. This is kind of all these are kind of historical buildings. So let's just wait till the crowd goes through a little bit. And then over here we have a beautiful fountain, and we have the post office right behind it. So that's also pretty cool as well. This one, white one, has kind of it's like another historical building too. There's a nice little park inside. But this particular focus is going to be all on this particular street. This pink and yellow and blue buildings. Dog walker. It's cool. So, okay, let's go down and check it out. So there's the street behind us. Fruits. Then we have this. And you have these. These are kind of interesting too, because they kind of go all the way down like that. Okay. So historical central right there. You can read it if you want. Okay. So let's shift our attention to this street right here. So there's they're selling some. Oh, they got some money there too. Chinese money. It's kind of cool. It's all tourist. So you can buy some very cheap clothes right here. But our focus is going to be on this street with this beautiful pastel colored buildings. I think our yellow building is going to end in a minute. I think this one is part of the, let me see, I think this one, there's a bunch of storefronts there. There's also a market that's we're going to be walking straight towards later. It's another yellow building. So we got some nice color pastels in here. We got this pink one, we got this yellow one. Over there is Grand Lisboa, by the way, casino. And then you have this other light blue one behind it. And then this one right here is the Mercado. So that's where they sell, there's another little place of buying clothes and trinkets and stuff. But this Mercado has like fresh meats, basically. Vegetables and fruits too. And they got a temple right here as well. So let's just see. This is the name of this temple. Quantin. Closed today. Actually, every time I come here it's closed. I don't know why. I haven't seen it open in a while. It used to always be open, and now it seems like it's never open. So Macao is straight ahead. So this one you can see they have all the fresh produce. So, but we're not going to go inside. You have to do a temperature check, and I'm not buying anything there anyway. So it's kind of a cool little space. Okay. Yeah, I like that building a lot. And we're just gonna go, looks like we've almost came to the end of this building, of the street. This is more of the market, so that's all the Mercado, and then there's another kind of selling market stuff. And I guess our street's gonna end in a minute. That was really short. But I like this building at the end. I think I might focus on this street for a minute before we conclude. Then I'll turn around and go back to the viewing the street again. It's pretty cool though. Look at that building. It's kind of this green and yellow with an amazing rooftop at the top. Okay, so let's check out this side as well. That's kind of cool building way up there too. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna run across real quick. There we go. Then we're gonna come back and film this from this particular angle. And then we're going to include in this spot right there. So now we have this beautiful, so basically when we first started we could see a couple of these buildings from the side. So this was one of them, this beautiful blue building. So that'll be the ending of this one, and then we'll just target it right here at this particular space as well. So okay, that's the end of this video. Chiquinha.